Hey, hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kowa, and you are welcome to another episode of Starting Your Own Business. Guess what? Today is different, and today I just want to share how or where I bought my motorbikes. I've had people DMing me, sending me messages and emails asking me where can I get motorbikes to buy, and for that matter, which company can I trust? Which company can make the work less easier, less stressful for me, and which company won't run away with my money? And guess what? I'm here with the list of guess what? I'm here with the list, alright? Okay guys, I'm going to be giving you four trusted places you can get your motorbikes. Either Boxer, the Royal, Sun Lake. Just relax. I'm going to give you all those ones, okay? So get your pen and paper. I'm going to be giving you the names of the companies where I bought the motorbikes or where you can buy these motorbikes, their location. Okay, I'll equally share some of their contact numbers or contact people just to make things easier for you guys. You know I like you guys, man. You know I like you, but you have to subscribe, you know. Anyway, so today I'm going to be looking on my phone just to show you these places. So the first place on the list is Somoco Ghana Limited, right? The place where I bought my motorbike. So you can locate their head office in the industrial area, okay? And it's on the DADEBAN road, right? I'm going to share the links and the GPS location for the various shops. Now, the second place you can also get a good motorbike is Royal Motors Ghana Limited. I hope you liked today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's support this channel and let's grow it so that other people like you will see it and also be inspired. Thank you.